Hi, good morning. Hi, this is Michael Mo from Kulr Technology Group. Thanks for joining us today. And we will present to you how we are applying our space-proven technologies to the world of batteries and electronics to keep them cooler, lighter, and safer. First is the customary safe harbor statement. Quick introduction about Kulr technology. We come from over 30 years of heritage in developing carbon fiber thermal energy management solutions for space applications. Our products are trusted by NASA to be used on the Mars rover Perseverance, on the International Space Station, and numerous different aerospace and defense applications. Our mission is to take these space-proven technologies and apply to the world of lithium-ion batteries and electronics to keep them cooler, lighter, and safer. Our customers include the likes of Lockheed Martin and other commercial customers. Our technologies target multiple billion-dollar markets, which we will talk about. And our management team have decades of experience in technology product development, marketing, operations, and public company finances. As excited as we are about the space missions and programs that we're involved in, we're more excited about the opportunities to apply our technologies to multiple billion-dollar markets, such as energy storage, electrical transportation, cloud computing, and energy transportation. The global lithium-ion battery market will hit over $100 billion by 2024. We believe that battery safety is a critical aspect to enable this huge market. The lithium-ion battery recycling industry will grow to over 21 billion by 2030, and we believe that transportation safety is an essential component of that market. The EV market is forecast to grow to 30 million units by 2030, and the global thermal management materials and device market is forecast to reach over $16 billion by 2024, driven by the proliferation of cloud computing, AI, crypto mining, and 5G deployment, where more data, faster network, and smaller devices are driving the need for better thermal energy management. Our core technology is a carbon fiber matrix that's very lightweight and conduct heat more efficiently than other materials. On the battery safety side, our thermal runaway shield is used to produce passive propagation resistant battery systems that can prevent lithium-ion battery fires and explosions. We're working with energy storage and electrical transportation customers to make their batteries safer. The Kulr Tech battery safe case received, the Kulr battery safe case that we received the U.S. Department of Transportation special permits to ship batteries up to 2.1 kilowatt hours for recycling, prototype, and DDR batteries. Internal short circuit, ISC, is a technology that NASA invented to test for battery safety for space applications. Kulr is the exclusive licensee and commercialization partner for that. It's now used by EV, electric aviation, and energy storage companies to test for their commercial products. Our thermal capacitor is a technology on board Mars rover Perseverance to keep the Sherlock instruments operating in ideal conditions on Mars. Quick overview of the Kulr financials. We reported our Q3 2021 result on November 15th. Here are some of the highlights. Kulr's Q3 revenue increased by over 300% year over year as we continue to make significant investments and execute on our business strategy. Our gross margin was 74%, which is a function of favorable product mix for the quarter. Our cash balance sheet was $11 million at the end of Q3. In addition, we received $6.5 million in the months of October and November from the exercise of warrants to purchase an aggregate of 2.6 million shares. This is all part of our May 2021 financing. The results in Kulr being in the strongest financial position in its history. On November 17th, options trading began on Kulr on New York Stock Exchange American options market. Vanguard Funds is now our largest institutional shareholder with 3% ownership. We're just honored to have them as our third largest shareholder, as well as other institutional investors. This was a really important and exciting quarter for all of us at Kulr, not only because of the financial figures, but also the validation of our long-term strategy and execution that's delivering solid foundation for future growth. Since inception, Kulr's long-term strategy has always been to co-develop cutting-edge thermal management technologies alongside NASA, Department of Energy, Department of Defense, and prime contractors, while working in close collaboration with regulatory agencies and international testing organizations. Our intent was to incorporate these technologies into regulatory roadmaps that can serve multiple mass market applications. As we deploy these technologies into markets such as energy storage and electric transportation, we look to leverage our IP across multiple verticals and capitalize on multiple revenue streams to accelerate our revenue growth. Our battery safe case is actually a perfect example of how that strategy is showing signs of success. This technology was tested by NASA to be used on the International Space Station to keep the astronauts' laptop and tablet batteries safe from battery thermal runaway propagation since 2019. We work with DOT, Department of Transportation, on providing safe testing data on protecting commercial batteries up to 2.1 kilowatt hour in energy capacity. With that work, we received the DOT special permits for recycling used DDR and prototype batteries to be transferred by ground, rail, boat, and air in Q3 of 2021. This has been a long process, and we got it done. We believe that Kulr Safe Case is the only solution in the market that has all these permits and capabilities. Now we're taking this space-proven product with DOT special permit into the commercial world. We partner with Heritage Battery Recycling to provide safe transportation of battery collection operations across North America. They recently merged with Retrieve Technologies to become the largest lithium-ion battery recycler in North America. The combined entity has over 100,000 customer locations, 2,500 employees, and a fleet over 1,300 power units in over 100 facility locations. In Q3, Kulr also joined Clarios, the largest global producer of lead-acid batteries, in their US Department of Energy lithium-ion battery life cycle initiatives to develop the manufacturing and reuse of lithium-ion batteries for their chemical elements in the United States. In this project, Kulr will provide safe transportation of lithium-ion batteries within the full battery management lifecycle, from manufacturing through recycle and reuse. Now, let me show you how our safe case works. This is my favorite part of the presentation, where we're going to show you some fireworks. Here is one 18650 battery cell going to thermal runaway. As you can see, the energy released from just one cell can pierce through an aluminum box. Here are four 21700 cells grouped together. These cells have about 50% more energy than the last cells that we just saw. We trigger one cell into thermal runaway with our ISC technology. So the propagation spread it out very quickly to the rest of the three cells from that one trigger cell. And this is called the thermal runaway propagation. As you can see, this is a very catastrophic event. The energy release of three of these cells is equivalent to a hand grenade. An EV like a Model 3 will have about 4,000 of these cells in their battery pack. Here's our Kulr safe case with 120 21700 cells inside. We trigger three cells into thermal runaway. So as you can see here, there's no fire, no explosion, and nothing comes out of the safe case. Our safe case prevents the cell-to-cell thermal runaway propagation in this battery pack, and therefore prevents the catastrophic chain reaction. Here's some of the lithium-ion battery developments that we are working on. We have designed a battery screening and testing automation system for our DoD and aerospace customers to serve the strategic battery reserve initiatives. We have sourced critical test and automation equipment to build our proprietary test pilot system. We anticipate this system to be capable of processing up to 1.2 million cells per year for 18650 and 21700 cylindrical battery cells. The test pilot system is expected to be fully operational in first half of 2022. We announced CellCheck product at our Battery Solutions Day. We developed CellCheck as a scalable battery management platform to provide a new level of safety, performance optimization, and regulatory compliance capabilities to our customers. We achieved this by putting together a modular architecture that's built on large data sets, performing an array of analytics, and then layer on top AI algorithm to provide predictive and preventative intelligence to our customers. It's modular so that we can incorporate new capabilities, enhancements to the platform as the battery evolution accelerates in the coming years. And this is another significant step for us to position Kulr as the one-stop shop of total solution provider for battery thermal energy and safety management. We'll live demo this product at the Advanced Automotive Battery Conference in San Diego on December 7th, and we expect to commercially launch this product in first half of 2022. At the Battery Solutions Day, we also share with you that we start a research and development initiative using carbon fiber structure to produce battery cells with high energy density and faster charging capabilities. We believe fast charging will be the killer app for the next generation batteries. Right now, overheating is one of the key limiting factors for advancing this fast charging capability. We've been developing and testing a new battery architecture with our carbon fiber matrix to make thicker cathode structure with higher loading factors to enable cells for higher energy density, and also new advanced anode structures with silicon and lithium metal. We want this architecture to work with both existing lithium-ion chemistry as well as solid-state electrolyte. This is a long-term strategic development for Kulr, and we expect to share more performance and testing data with you in early 2022. Another exciting development we're working on is to apply our advanced carbon fiber solution that was developed for the hypersonic program to high performance computing applications. Our team worked on the X-51 hypersonic vehicle with liquid cooling thermal management system. Now we're applying this technology cost effectively to cool high power chips for applications such as cloud computing, crypto mining, AI, and virtual reality simulation, or somebody calls it the metaverse. The key is to take away heat more efficiently from the chip to the liquid or the air, and therefore allowing the chip to run faster without overheating or consume less energy with the same amount of processing power. This will allow the server and data center operators to run more efficiently, sustainably, and profitably. We look forward to share more data with you in the very near future. We take a multi-pronged approach to serve our customers in different markets. Most of our engagements start with engineering, design, and testing services. Once we develop a customized solution for the customer, we offer them the product for sale or IP licensing for high volume customers. We allow customers, this will allow the customers the flexibility to integrate our products into the supply chain, make them more scalable, and potentially lower the cost for everybody. It's important for our shareholders to know that Kulr's business model continues to evolve from being a component supplier to providing more design and testing service to our customers. And the next phase of the evolution is to provide total system solution to address market needs. To scale up this, to scale up as a system provider more quickly and efficiently in markets such as EV, energy storage, and the hypersonic vehicle systems, Kulr will actively seek partners for joint ventures, technology licensing, and other strategic partnership models. The goal is to leverage our thermal design expertise and portfolio of IPs to create market-leading products which we take to market directly and capture more value for our shareholders. Kulr is the official thermal management and battery safety technology partner for Andretti Technologies. It's the advanced technology arm for Andretti Autosports, founded by Michael Andretti. Kulr is a proud sponsor of the Extreme E-Electric SUV racing series. As part of the alliance, we're developing and co-marketing battery safety and high-performance thermal energy management technologies to serve high-performance motorsports applications, and then take them to broader electric mobility applications. Here's the management team. Again, my name is Michael Mo. I'm the co-founder, CEO of the company. I've been in the semiconductor and technology industry for over 24 years, and I received my undergrad and master's degree in electrical engineering and computer science from University of California in Santa Barbara. Keith Cochran joined Kulr as a president COO early this year. He has spent 24 years at Jabil, most recently as the senior vice president responsible for the $3.7 billion smartphone manufacturing business in Asia. He comes from a rich background in business operations, supply chain management, and manufacturing automation. Greg Provenzano, our VP of Sales and Marketing, he joined us with over 35 years of leadership and worldwide sales experience in electrical components, design services, system solutions across a variety of industry, most notably at the advanced energy and aero electronics. At Kulr, he will be responsible for our sales channel strategy and then sales into high volume applications. As a summary, we believe Kulr provides a compelling opportunity for investors. We're building a suite of products and services to provide total solutions for battery thermal management and safety. We believe this is going to be a critical technology building block for the whole electrification revolution. As industries and regulations demand more sustainable solutions for recycling, clean energy for the circular economy, Kulr is well positioned to enjoy the tailwind shift to ESG investment initiatives. Kulr has an attractive and scalable business model with multiple product lines and revenue streams to serve the life cycle of the clean energy circular economy. We have a tier 1 customer and partner base in government, aerospace, defense, and commercial sectors. We have a strong and growing patent portfolio. Our space-proven battery safety technologies is a critical platform play for multiple billion-dollar high-growth markets. Our experienced management team is dedicated to the long-term growth of the company and ultimately increase shareholder value. So with that, thank you very much.